What's up everyone, and welcome back to another fun week of All Around Beauty 411. And in today's video, I'm going to be using things from this month's BoxyCharm box. I'm definitely excited for you guys to see. Okay, anyway, I'm going to be using stuff from this month's BoxyCharm box and giving you guys my opinions and what I like and did not like from this month's box. So, I'm super excited. But before you continue watching this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Some highlight. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at allaroundbeauty411. And hey, leave a comment or two or three, like a photo. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, if you want to know how I got this look right here, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so to go ahead and start this video off, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Brow Gal, and this is their Instatint. So pretty much what it is, it's supposed to instantly tan the brows. Not tan them, but like tint them. So kind of like brow tinting. So this is going to be really cool. Really cool. I'm excited to use it. So just in case if it doesn't look good or if it doesn't fill in the spots like how I normally do my eyebrows, I also have a eyebrow pencil and some wax to go ahead and fix up any mistakes that it may or may not do, just in case. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I tried the Instatint by the Brow Gal, and it's definitely a no for me. So I went ahead and used the pencil that was on standby, and I would say that I swear by the powder palette that I received a couple months ago, and that is definitely A1. Like, I use my brow pencil and then I use that on top, and it just gives my eyebrows the best finish and it looks phenomenal. So I would say if you're going to purchase something from the Brow Gal, at least do that. If you can find your eyebrow color, then I would say go ahead and use the Instatint, but it's just a no for me. So I went ahead and I set my eyelids for eyeshadow, and I used the Nars Creamy Concealer, and I went ahead and blended that out, as you can tell. So now I'm going to be going in with the You Had Me at Hello palette, and this is the Colourpop eyeshadow palette. And so it's really cute because I love the packaging. Like, look at that. It's so cute. And then on the back as well, it has all the shadows. It has the names of every shadow in order. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with that. So I'm going to be taking this nice pink right here, and this is going to be my transition shade. Sorry I didn't start off with my base shade first. I'm going to go ahead and use this nice golden brown. It's kind of like a graham cracker brown. So I'm going to go ahead and use that as a base, and then I'm going to use this pink color as a transition shade, and this dark color right here as my corner color to give me definition, and then this nice cute little rose gold color right here. I may wet the brush, so I'm not quite sure yet, but let's go ahead and get started. Catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Alright guys, so I know you're like, whoa girl, you only said you were doing eyeshadow, okay? So just to assure you guys, I went ahead and completed the eyeshadow, and then I went ahead and just lined my eyes and put on some lashes, and then did my foundation, and I kind of just mapped out my whole face for contouring and highlighting, so you didn't miss much. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so now that everything is blended out, I'm going to go ahead and take the Black Radiance Powder Palette and set my contour. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the Dermablend to set my highlight. So let's go ahead and get to baking. Alright guys, so while I bake my face, I'm going to go in with the Nars blush. Oh, okay. And as you know, this is like my favorite blush. So I'm going to go ahead and get to blushing. So the next thing that I'm going to use from this month's box is the Tarte, and it is their Pro Glow, and this is the color Sparkler, and it is a liquid highlight. So I want to go for like a glam, like blinding kind of highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Becca Cosmetics highlight, and this color is Presto Pop. So I'm going to go ahead and use these two as a combo. So I'm going to apply this first, blend it out probably with a beauty blender, and then go ahead and set it with this, and it's going to be like, okay, so let's get started. Guys, so as you can see, the highlight is blinding. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Taraji P lip gloss. Well, it is the Viva Glam lip gloss from MAC Cosmetics, and this honestly is like my favorite lip gloss. Like, it's so pigmented. So it is like a red base and it has glitter in it, and it's also came with a lipstick. So she had a lipstick and a gloss with it, and I just prefer the gloss. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, and this is the finishing look, and I definitely love it. I feel like the Viva Glam lip gloss gives it that extra like pizzazz and like pop, so I definitely love this. Like, she's a model. I'm just kidding. I love feeling myself, okay? Anywho, that's all that I have for this week. And you guys know me. I post videos every Friday. Alright, guys. And I am